Hi, welcome back to Angie's Pantry. Today I'm making what we call witch's brew. It's a hot, very hot salsa, and you're making it with green tomatoes and some mixed peppers and stuff. It's pretty good. And a little goes a long way. All right, let me bring in closer and show you how we're doing this. So this is all my green tomatoes, and that's all what's in there. Chopped up green tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, whatever kind of tomatoes, patio tomatoes. And that's about as, if it goes to ripen, that's about as ripe as you want to get it. But you want it mostly this color. Nice firm green tomatoes. All right. So I've got this in my KitchenAid Selectives slow cooker, because we're going to let it just slow cook down in a nice high heat to start, and then we're going to put it down to a low heat and just let it simmer. All right, I've got this lemon juice I'm going to add in there. It gives it a nice tart, and that's about a cup of lemon juice. To about 1/4 cup of water. I've got about 4 celery stalks chopped up fine. And I got 1 big huge Vandalia onion chopped up fine. I know, it's like, oh my god, it's too much. It'll work out. Okay, so right now I'm going to add a little bit of cracked pepper. No measuring, just pick what you want, because this is going to be spicy. And it's a dipping 6 blend pepper. 6 pepper blend, sorry about that. You can use whatever spices you like. I like to make mine spicy. And this has got a beautiful blend in it. Really good. Cilantro. I'm going to add just a little bit right now, because we can re-add as we go along. Use my hand to kind of blend it around a little. Your hands are your best tools. You just kind of want to get it down in there a little. I always reach down and grab from the bottom and pull up. If I seen someone out the back. My hands are very, very clean. Oh, that smells good already. Got 2 cloves of garlic that I peeled. I'm gonna put them in my little mini chopper and chop them up. Yes, there's a link down below to get them. So that minced that up beautiful. I'm gonna kind of put that around there a little bit. I've got all these mixed peppers. So I've got green peppers, banana peppers, mild hot peppers. I've got habaneros. I've got, not habaneros, I got jalapenos. I've got cilantros that I just chopped up finely, and we're gonna use the big chopper and chop that up and put it in the top. I'm only gonna put this many peppers in first, probably about 2 cups. And then I'm going to grind the rest of these after this melts down a little, so it kind of gives it a little freshness to it too, along the way. These choppers are the best choppers when you're working with salsas. Look at how beautiful that chopped. Come on. All right. That look good already. All right. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt, Kosher salt. Or canning salt, because these will be canned up. Break it up. Seems like a lot of salt, but it's not. Now I am going to add some white vinegar. About a half a cup. Now I'm going to put the lid on it and let it do its magic. For 2 hours, I'm going to keep it on high. And then we'll come in and stir it down as it goes. But doesn't that look beautiful? About 2.5 hours, and it cooked down enough. I've stirred it twice, and it's gonna look watery. I tasted it first, seeing if it had enough heat in it for me before I added all the other peppers. It didn't, so I added the rest of all those peppers in there. Now this smells amazing. And it's gonna look watery. See? It's all right. That's how it's supposed to look. And then she'll start cooking down more. And when it does, once it gets good and cooked down enough, then I'll use my blender, immersion blender, and chop it up. Really good. And cook it down some more. Could you have ran this all through a food processor? Yeah. But I like this way better. I like the slow cook. All right, we'll be back when it's time to blend it all up. Also, I wanted to touch base with you on this. I've got the KitchenAid has where the sides catch, and then it's only got a little bit of vent. I love that because then it's sealing in the flavor in with your sauce or meats, whatever you're doing. If you get a chance, I got this for 29 bucks. It was a display model. And I'm like, yeah, I'll take it. So I did. And I love every minute of that. Every penny that I spent was well spent money. That's for sure. All right. Just wanted to touch bases there. It's been a couple more hours. Turn on the light. I got my immersion blender. This is a Cuisinart. And be patient with me because I just figured out how to use it. You got to push that button in. And then it makes it work. Alright. Well, it smells really, really good. What do you think? So I'm going to try to bring in a little closer. But I don't want to get you too close in case I splatter everywhere. So, please work for me. Well, I'll put that down in there. So this is what I'm going to do until I get it all worked up. So when I'm done with this, I'll run it fast forward through there for you so you guys can see what I'm doing. I've got it all cleaned up now, and I think it's pretty much pureed pretty good. And that's the texture you want for salsa verde. It's not a verde, it's a dipping sauce, or you could use this for making spicy pork burritos. It is yummy. Now I'm just gonna water bath these, but I'm not gonna show you how I'm doing that. I'm just saying that's what I'm gonna do. And yeah. So that is how you make a beautiful witch's brew, aka green salsa. It's called a witch's brew because it's so all the different ingredients that goes in it, and it's very, very spicy. All right, everyone. I hope you like this video, and as always, thank you for watching and stopping by. Big hugs from my pantry to yours. Bye.